Alright, so this is my Ford C-Max, and it has clap-handed window wipers that you can't lift up, because when you try to do that, the arms actually hit the bonnet or the hood right here, and the second arm is tucked in underneath to be a bit more aero. Now, this trick to put them into a service position so you can actually clean them or replace them, it works on a Ford Focus. I'll put up a full list of other Ford cars that this technique works with. The thing you need to do is put the car into accessory mode. This car here has push button start, but it also works if you've got like a normal key barrel setup. So what we do is don't put your foot on the brake so that the engine starts. Just press the engine stop-start. Now the trick is you have to turn the car off, and then instantly, within 3 seconds, pull down on the windscreen wiper stalk into the down position, so that's normally the one where you just use it to wipe the screen once. So I'm going to turn it off, pull it down immediately, and then up we go, and there you see it. Windscreen wipers are up, and you can pull them up, pull them up. That way you can actually clean the wipers themselves, and then actually clean the area underneath the wipers as well, or you can take the wipers off and replace them. So they're still up. When you start the car again, I would recommend using water so that they do their thing and don't scrape on your windscreen, and then they go back down. There you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching this video.